Firstly, you run Adobe Photoshop software, then choose a photo and drop it into the Photoshop software, and here Photoshop tools, and take razor tool and clean background, smoothly clean background. You have to spend a lot of time here to clean background, and watch this video very carefully to learn. For expanding image window, click Ctrl plus, and decreasing image window, click Ctrl minus. You can clean image background only taking razor tool. Here you can see that by taking razor tool, the image background is cleaning. After cleaning image background, we have to change image background color. For that you can take magic wand tool and take background color red, white, yellow as your wish, and select, and you can select more by clicking shift and click, and after selecting, by clicking delete button, the color will be changed. So thank you for watching this video, and subscribe to my channel MDR Rahman to take next video update. Thank you for watching this video.